My name is Shah. I am from Cosmos Group. My role and responsibility to maintain overall IT infrastructure and software solutions, and working as a manager IT in Cosmos. Cosmos is actually leading manufacturing company. It's a CNC manufacturing company and precision components of manufacturing. We were looking for some solutions which can help us to boost our sales in terms of the database management and when system management, and to support to the sales department in a proper manner, and they can run the sales teams with the smoothly. So we have taken a demo for with many vendors, and we have seen the many CRM softwares, and we contacted Sani Software. They suggested us to go with the NJ CRM as per our requirements, because we were wanted many customizer reports and other things that ERP type of softwares we were looking for in the CRM. So they suggested us that go with the NJ, and we had taken a demo from the NJ. Right now we are using NJ CRM from last 2 years, and whatever our requirements was there, so everything got fulfilled by them, and with the customizer reports, and we are getting many reports like which we wanted, and many customization we have done, which is useful for our sales to get the data and contact with the customers, and they can generate more revenue. This we developed for the management, and management is also now very happy with this solution. And right now we visited NJ team, so and we found, and we came with our new customization and new queries and new reports functions details. They suggested us very good solutions, and they guided us in a better manner. What we have asked, they have given us solutions with the limited features and very user friendly reports functions and everything. So we are thankful to NJ and Sani Softwares to provide us the reference of the NJ and given us best solutions for the CRM.